Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Brian and welcome back to our channel, my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. It's another Filipino music. So the title of the song is called I Want You Back by, I don't know how to pronounce the name, Matthaios, I don't know. Okay, let's go to the studio and start. Alright, let's start. First, open. Always open the legs. You're gonna go 1, jump, 2. You're grabbing it. 2. Step 3, up, and. Up, and. Catch. 4. 5. Cross. 6. Up on 7. 8. So separate that one. 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, drop 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, this is low. Face a little bit to your right. Don't face front. So diagonal. Go 1 and 2. 1 set. 7 and go 1 and 2. Open right 3 and clap 4. Okay, 5, 6, turn around on 7, 8. Is that clear? Are you guys clear with that? Let's try again. Let's do it from the beginning. 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, cross 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, clap 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, jump 1 and 2 and. One more time. 6, 7 and go 1 and 2 and. You're gonna step your left to the back. 3 and 4 and. Right up 5 and 6. Cross 7. Then close on 8. Let's do it one more time. First slow. 7, 8, and jump. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 7, 8, down 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, punch. 7 and 8. So make sure you close on 8. One more time. 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. For 8 from the beginning first. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 6 and 8. 1, 2, open, clap. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, hit. 7, 8. Here we go. Same 1, 3, 4, 5, and stop. 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next from here, 7, 8. So it's really important to finish on 8. Alright? Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sorry, that's a count. Next, from here you're gonna go front. 1, 2. Right, 3, 4. Stay there. 4. Then left, right, left, 7, and 8. Got it? So easy. So here, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, 7, 8. Good job. Let's start from here. 7, 8. Step up. 1, 2. Bend your back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, 7, 8. Good job. From the beginning. All of it. Okay, kids? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Slowly. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Down. 1, 2, 3. Clap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly. 7 and 8. Slow. 2. It's getting faster. And here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left. 7, 8. Very good. I love you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our video. Alright? See you next time.